Hey everyone! Today, I'm taking you on a journey to Cabarete, a hidden gem on the north coast of the Dominican Republic that's perfect for families. Let's dive into some of the best activities to make your family vacation unforgettable. First up, Cabarete is a water sports paradise. If you've ever wanted to try kite surfing or windsurfing, this is the place. The strong trade winds and ocean conditions are ideal. Kite Beach offers beginner-friendly lessons where even kids can join in the fun. And for those calmer days, stand-up paddleboarding along Cabarete Bay or Rio La Boca is a must-try. Don't miss out on snorkeling around the reefs. The underwater life here is just amazing. Next, take a short trip to the 27 waterfalls of Dominican. It's an adventurous experience where you can hike, slide, swim, and jump through stunning waterfalls. There are guides to help with younger kids, so it's safe and fun for the whole family. Looking for a peaceful retreat? Head to Laguna de Cabarete y Goleta. This natural park is perfect for birdwatching, kayaking, or a boat tour. It's a great way to introduce the kids to ecotourism and local wildlife. For a bit of old-school fun, try horseback riding along the beach or through beautiful trails. There are tours for beginners and children, making it a great way to explore the coastline and lush landscapes. El Choco National Park is another gem. Explore limestone caves, lagoons, and hiking trails with guided tours that are both educational and exciting for kids. If you're looking to relax, Playa Encuentro is one of the area's most beautiful beaches. Ideal for a chill beach day with soft sands, warm waters, and nearby restaurants, it's perfect for a full family day out. When it's time to eat, Cabarete has plenty of family-friendly restaurants. Many are right on the beach, offering casual dining with a view. Some even have live music to keep the kids entertained while you enjoy your meal. For a touch of wellness, consider joining family-friendly yoga and wellness classes offered by local hotels and resorts. It's a calming experience for both parents and kids. And don't miss out on the local markets. Explore Dominican crafts, souvenirs, and food stalls. It's a great way for kids to learn about local culture and for everyone to pick up some unique gifts. So whether it's water sports, nature adventures, or just relaxing on the beach, Cabarete truly has something for everyone in the family. Thanks for watching and happy travels.